How to spot a scam peer-to-peer platform. In this video, we will show you how to spot a scam peer-to-peer platform. Let's quickly take an overview of what will be covered in this video. A peer-to-peer platform allows buyers and sellers to engage without the involvement of a third party. Peer-to-peer stands for peer-to-peer or person-to-person, and it's a popular fintech phrase. Peer-to-peer platforms include PayPal, Apple Cash, and Facebook Pay, to name a few. 3 peer-to-business platforms have shut down in the previous several months. Investio and Quetzal, 2 of them, were found to be involved in fraudulent activities that resulted in millions of euros in damages. Before you invest in a peer-to-peer platform, look for these warning indicators that it's a rip-off: identity of founder, company information, public opinion, and many more. Because of how easily it draws scammers, some respectable Bitcoin exchanges do not offer the peer-to-peer feature. We've also learned that several peer-to-peer networks, both crypto and fiat, are scams. Monetera and Groupier, 2 other platforms, stopped operations by the end of March 2020. While the platform's administration is blaming the coronavirus and the resulting economic collapse, the platform has been experiencing issues for weeks prior to the outbreak. Nobody knows whether or not investors will be able to get their money back. Groupier, another P2B platform, is also facing major allegations concerning the authenticity of its loan originators. So, in light of the current unpredictable and perilous economic atmosphere, let's take a deeper look at these P2B platforms and see what's going on and how investors may avoid being conned. Is each of them a Ponzi scheme designed solely to defraud investors of their funds? In this video, we'll look at some of the commonalities across those platforms and see if we can spot a pattern that can help you avoid scams and protect your future investments. Before we show you our findings, here are some quick tips for novice and seasoned investors on how to secure their peer-to-peer and P2B assets. What is a peer-to-peer platform? A peer-to-peer platform allows buyers and sellers to engage without the involvement of a third party. Peer-to-peer stands for peer-to-peer or person-to-person, and it's a popular fintech phrase. Peer-to-peer platforms include PayPal, Apple Cash, and Facebook Pay, to name a few. They let you to transmit money to a seller when your products arrive, or vice versa depending on the agreement. In the cryptocurrency world, there are exchanges that specialize in peer-to-peer trading, such as Paxful and Remitano, while others, such as Binance and OKEx, included in their services. Because there is little or no requirement for a third party, a key advantage of the peer-to-peer network is the speed with which transactions are handled. Unfortunately, fraud platforms such as Investio, Quetzal, Monetera, and Groupier have taken advantage of people's enthusiasm for peer-to-peer lending to steal their money. We will show you how to detect a phony peer-to-peer platform so you don't become a victim. Before you invest in a peer-to-peer platform, look for these warning indicators that it's a rip-off. Identity of the founders. When you can't identify the platform's founders, it's a clear red sign. When something goes wrong, it indicates that no one can be held responsible. Don't be fooled by the presence of founders' names on the platform's website or YouTube videos displaying different offices. They could be actors, for all we know. Check for those names on major sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, Crunchbase, Facebook, and others, and keep an eye out for the following. What is the size of their fan base? Do they have a track record of previous accomplishments? Is there anything you can uncover that qualifies them for their roles as CEOs? If you can't uncover any concrete information on the platform's so-called creators, you might want to wait a while before using it. Company regulations is another way to spot a scam peer-to-peer platform, when there is no corporate organization to control it. Confirm if a peer-to-peer platform is registered and controlled by a corporate authority such as the SEC, FDIC, CAC, and others before investing. At the very least, fintech platforms like Crunchbase and TechCrunch should have useful information on the platform. If the platform does not identify with any established financial body or vice versa, don't put your money there. Also, terms and conditions is another way you can avoid being scammed on peer-to-peer platforms. We hope you're not one of those people who skip through a company's terms and conditions because they're too lazy to read them. Before investing in a corporation, make an effort to study the terms and conditions. You might come across some claims that aren't quite right. For example, if it indicates that the corporation reserves the right to make platform modifications without informing users, you should be concerned. Public opinion also matters. What our old users of the peer-to-peer platform are saying about it. Sites like Trustpilot, ScamAdvisor, and Web of Trust can help. If you come across complaints regarding difficulties withdrawing funds, you might want to wait a little longer. It's even worse when the platform's administrator fails to reply to any of the concerns with potential remedies. Look the site up on the internet to discover if there are any scam rumors. Do you see anything unusual? Don't put your money in that account. Customer support is another way to spot a scam peer-to-peer platform. When you can get any answers to your queries. Check through all of the platform's help channels, email address, social media accounts, support ticket, etc. to see if you'll get responses and how quickly. Also, keep an eye out for any AMA sessions with the platform's creators to see if they can justify the company's goals and purpose. Also, sudden changes on a scam peer-to-peer platform are very common. You may have noticed that some functionalities have been disabled without prior notice to users. For example, if the platform suddenly stops supporting as much crypto or fiat as it once did. As a result, you'll want to keep an eye on any platform you're interested in to notice these changes. Apart from making sudden changes to the site, most scam peer-to-peer platforms change the members of the management team more often than not. That's probably because they are usually actors. They are just there to give the impression that the platform is genuine even when it is not. Check the history of the platform. If the CEO or MD or other relevant roles have changed up to 2 times or more in the last year, it's a red flag. Security is another thing to check out for when trying to spot a scam peer-to-peer platform is its security. What measures are set to achieve security? Look out for 2FA setup, proof of insurance, audits, etc. If you can't find any workable approach to achieve security, don't invest in the platform. Also, if you search for a company on Google, you should be able to obtain information about it, such as its address. Is there anything like that? Please keep your money in your wallet. Again, search for the company on whois.com. If the information there does not match what you found on Google or on the company's website, you should not invest. For example, the website states the platform launched in 2018, yet according to whois.com, it was registered in January 2021. It's possible that the platform was introduced before the website was built, but don't put your money there if you can't prove it. When you finish studying the peer-to-peer platform using these 9 suggestions, you'll know whether or not to invest. You must be cautious of scammers while trading on the platform. While anyone can become a peer-to-peer investor within a few minutes, it's not a risk-free investment, which many investors do not realize at first. Peer-to-peer lending is and has been a very good alternative to the stock and crypto market as it's nowhere near as volatile. There are, however, other risks that investors should take into consideration. One of them is unfortunately the possibility of being scammed. We are truly sorry for any investor who has lost money due to fraudulent platforms in the past. We hope our website will help prevent investors' money loss in the future. The peer-to-peer lending industry undeniably lacks transparency, which is why we are committed to helping educate investors like yourself about all of the possible aspects, so you can make investment decisions based on hard facts rather than emotions and promises. We've reached the end of our talk on how to recognize a scam peer-to-peer platform. We hope you found it worthwhile. Before you leave, let us know if you've ever invested in a scam peer-to-peer program and which one it was. Do you have any additional suggestions that we didn't include in the article? Put it in the comments section as well. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.